Do you think it's possible to learn French in just 30 days? Hi guys, and welcome to another exciting episode of Travel with the Nigeria Girl, the channel that brings you every single thing you need to know about traveling and touring within Lagos, within Nigeria, outside Nigeria, and within Africa, guys. And I'm here once again with another video. Now, this video is not exactly a travel vlog per se or tips about traveling per se, but it still relates to traveling and touring because languages is very important when you're moving to a new location. Now, prior to all this, whenever I'm in a place where I don't really understand the language, I either have somebody that actually does understand the language with me, or I use Google Translate, or genuinely I just really cross my hands and hope that somebody understands a language I actually speak. If you know me very well, you know I love languages. I love learning new languages. I speak English very fluently, obviously, because that is my first language. However, I also have a little knowledge of French. I'm not a beginner. In fact, I consider myself as an intermediate French speaker. What that means is I can understand some things and some words and some sentences, but I am not exactly fluent per se in French. I speak Yoruba, yes. I'm not going to say little because I do speak Yoruba and I know how to mix and match it. However, I am not exactly like someone who grew up immersed in Yoruba, like learning Yoruba from childhood, speaking it with their parents. I wasn't one of those people. I started learning Yoruba when I was in university. So my Yoruba just will never sound, or doesn't at this moment sound like somebody who has, been immersed in the culture all their life. However, I do understand Yoruba and I do speak Yoruba. I also speak Pidgin, obviously, because I'm a Nigerian babe. So yes, I do speak Pidgin very well, very fluently. And then I speak like a little, really tiny South Korean. And how did I learn that? Funny thing is, South Korean's own was just because of the fact that I watch K-dramas like mad. Oh god, I think I've watched over 200 K-dramas in my lifetime. Yes, and I'm not even joking, like 16 episodes each. But yeah, yeah, I watch a lot of K-dramas. So there are a lot of sentences that are repeated and a lot of words that are said over and over again. And somehow they just sort of stuck with me. They just sort of stuck with me while I was like after a while. Funny thing is, I didn't really notice I was learning these words, but recently I noticed that there's sometimes that they say something and I already know the meaning without actually checking what, like reading the subtitles. So yeah, those are the languages I currently speak or I'm learning. And now I have decided to challenge myself. I have just 1 month to learn, 30 days, guys, to learn French and become fluent in it. I might not be as fluent as someone who's lived in a French speaking country all their life, but I should be able to have good enough conversations with people in French by the end of these 30 days, which is actually my goal. And today is day one. It's like one, according to the people I'm learning from. Randomly I stumbled upon this French agency or French speaking agency on Instagram. They aren't exactly what you call, because they don't have a physical location. It's not like an online session. It's majorly on WhatsApp. They have like private coaches for you, and then you just send your reports of different things, because you would have to put their aim is you generally learn by yourself and come back and give your report of what you've learned, and they'll correct you and indicate you on what needs to be corrected or educated while you're actually doing that. That's literally how their work goes. While I'm also taking the course, my plan is to listen to a lot more podcasts in French, watch a bit more movies in French, also do a bit more reading in French, just to try and brush this up. So I have 30 days to do all these things. I did a like an exam-ish to try and figure out what level I was in French. Good news is I'm not an A1. They kept on putting me in between the like B1 A2 B1 A2 every time I took the exam, because I took it like 5 times. But but yeah, that's my level right now. So I'm going to carry you guys along with me on this journey. It is going to be a long ass journey. Yeah, so you guys should wish me luck, guys. I'll carry you guys along as often as possible. Hi guys, so today is day 2. So this French class that I joined is like, it's like giving drilling. It's like a very intensive class. I'm seeing some improvements. So today's day 2. I'm gonna give you guys the update in a few about how it's going. I'm not gonna lie, Sha, it's not easy, but yeah, today's day 2. I'm currently in class. After this, I am going to listen to it. The good thing is I got some resources from the class. Some free places where I can actually learn French. So we go from there, Sha. Wish me luck.
Comme aujourd'hui. Bonsoir, madame. Comment ça va?
Très bien. Aujourd'hui,
Oh, ok, allez-y.
aujourd'hui, on est samedi. Nous
Oui.
rodons visiter,
Oui.
visite,
One S is pronounce what?
visite.
Is it visit or visit?
Guys, welcome back. So we are in day 10. Today is day 10. It's been 10 days since I started my French journey, and I wanted to give some updates because I've not really talked. To be honest, and this French thing is a lot of work. The course I'm on, it's called Speak French Fast. It is intense. Like, I have to give reports on like reading, writing, etc., etc. every day. I'm not saying I'm too tired, but I have to do it like before I fall asleep, so I'm usually freaking tired. um but aside from that, I have noticed some progress. So when I started, right, guys, I could understand, I could read some things, but I wasn't really good at it. Do you understand? But these days, most passages I read, I can actually understand what these passages are saying. I can answer comprehension questions, etc., etc. Also, when it comes to writing, because I can read, I can obviously write. I'm still trying to get the hang of the accents, um, but it's getting better. I think one of the most difficult thing for me right now is listening, which is my hardest thing, which is why I listen to music and sometimes watch movies that are French related, because listening is really hard for me. Um, like, I hear them, but I can only pick out some words and not a whole phrase, so I don't really know what is being said yet. Speaking, oh, I did notice improvement in my speaking. So I've noticed that I can actually properly put the sentences together. And then aside from that, pronunciation that wasn't really good. Like, there are words I now know when I see it, this word is supposed to be pronounced a certain way, which I did not notice before, but nowadays I actually notice them. So I have noticed some improvement in my speaking. I can have conversations in it. Like, me and my sister are always conversing. We're always conversing, guys. We're always talking. So I have noticed some improvements in my speaking, guys. So I'm seeing improvements, but we're still like 20 days to go. So guys, I'm gonna stop here because yeah, wish me luck on this, guys. I need it. You know, when you're conjugating the words, right? The like er, it all changes to e with the accent. Like, if you're Hi guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am drained, je suis fatiguée. It's been a hell of a journey. I realized that I do listen to music, like I did still do French music. However, I know that I don't watch as much videos as I did when I first started. I guess it's a burnout stage that you will call it, because I'm currently in the burnout stage. But we're still going. So I have noticed some improvements. I can read and write very well. So yeah, you guys can even hear the way I pronounce now. The words, I can pronounce them a bit better, which is what I was working on. Hopefully by the end of this course I would actually be better. But I'm not gonna lie, guys, I want to give up. But we keep going. Hi guys, so it's been 30 days. Yes, today is the last day of my time in Speak French Fast, and generally my time learning French. What have I noticed in the past 30 days? Well, I can read French a little better. I have a broader vocabulary. I know how to make better sentences, past and present. I do, if I see like French text, I can understand most things in it. There's still some words I don't know that I still have to go back to Google Translate for, but I understand most things, and I can actually form my sentences by myself. I'm going to show you guys a video of myself speaking French. I'm going to show you my day 1 and day 30 of my videos which I sent to the class, and you guys can compare, you know, the way, the flow, the way I spoke, you know, if I was any better. If there was any improvement you noticed, including pronunciation and the rest. I'm going to show you guys that now. Voici ma rapport pour aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, j'étais une journée tranquille. Je travaille à domicile, mais j'avais des problèmes avec l'internet, donc je ne pouvais pas faire grand chose. Cependant, j'ai pu développer du contenu pour ma chaîne YouTube. What else? J'ai beaucoup appris en français. Plus tard ce soir, je récupère mon travail. Bonsoir, voici ma présentation vidéo d'aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, je veux parler de culture et tradition. La culture et la tradition sont très importants pour préserver l'identité et les valeurs de notre communauté. Nous devons sauvegarder notre patrimoine culturel pour nous souvenir de notre passé et rester proche en tant que groupe. Mais parfois, les nouveautés de la vie moderne peuvent modifier ou même nuire à nos anciens coutumes. Il est important de trouver un bon équilibre entre avancer et maintenir nos traditions vivantes. So yes, guys, it's been 30 days. So my own verdict: it is possible to speak French in 30 days. You would be able to at least read, especially if you're starting from an intermediate, you're not like a beginner. You'll be able to at least read, you know, form sentences and the rest. But you might not be able to still hear a French native speaking French. I'm trying to train my ears with French a bit. I am trying to hear more French. What I mean is that I'm listening to, for the month, even though I am no longer registered in the class or doing the Speak French Fast class anymore, I would be listening to French podcasts, reading French books, watching French movies and YouTube videos, just to try and train my ears, because I realized that listening is the hardest part. I just can never seem to hear them. I hear some words, but then there are even words I do know, but it just doesn't sound the same, maybe because of pronunciation, you know, accents and the rest. So I'm going to listen to a lot more of those things to try and improve myself for this month of March. Unfortunately, I would not be doing a class again, and I also won't be doing another 30 days video, guys. I was supposed to go to Togo this month, but I had to push it. I might be going in April, or I may be going to a completely different location in April. I am not sure of where I'm going to yet. However, I am really looking forward to learning a bit more French language this month by myself. And then at the side, I'm also learning Hangul, which is Korean language, guys. See, I started this, today is day 3 of March, and I started learning Hangul like 2-3 days ago. I found this amazing app for it, and it's been really helpful. I have been learning a lot. I can now see the words and know what they're supposed to sound like when I see it. So guys, that's been my French journey, and this one is going to be Korean and French. I'm going to let you guys know how that goes at the end of the month. But yeah, that's been what's been going on. On another note, a kind subscriber of mine actually made a suggestion and said I should open up a Patreon account for people that want to support, support the ministry, for this travel girl that likes to move around and talk a bit. So I have my Patreon link now. You can join at any membership tier you want to, or just be part of the subscribers. Generally, just follow me. You don't generally need to actually join a Patreon a membership tier, but you can just be a follower and watch and listen to some of the BTS that I have, or just contribute so that you can actually give some support to this travel girl. So yeah, guys, the link for my Patreon is in my description. Please click it and join a membership here, help a girl out. But yeah, guys, I am totally looking forward to so much. There's so much I want to give you guys. And also another side note, please guys, don't forget to drop some questions that you want answers to regarding travel and tourism within Lagos, within Nigeria, outside Nigeria, or generally just about me. Yes, I'm actually going to be doing a Q&A soon. So yeah, if you guys actually have any questions that you would actually like me to talk about, because I've hit the 150 subscriber mark. If you guys know how slowly this channel is growing, you'd understand why I'm so excited about this. So I decided to do a Q&A once I reach 200. So yeah, guys, drop your questions on TikTok or Instagram at Miss Naniola, or you can just drop it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this. My version, as I said before, it's possible to actually speak French in 30 days. However, you might not be fluent. You would definitely not be able to hear a native speaker speaking, but you'd be, decent. Yeah, so I highly recommend trying it by yourself and let me know how your own, 30 days goes. But yeah, guys, I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to this channel. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to this channel. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I would see you guys in my next video. Ciao.